Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the 2 and 3 column templates at connect.dataczar.com. So go to dataczar.com to get logged in. Click the login button right here. Now we're already logged in. It's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of that and go full screen. Now to work on your website, you're going to click on the website button right here. And these are the editing tools. You have pages, posts, you have page templates, themes, which is your appearance, settings, and analytics. We're going to be working with pages and posts today. And the editing tools for the 2 and 3 column template on posts is identical to it as on pages. So we're going to be focusing on pages. But first, let's tab over. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're going to be working on this pastures page right here. We're going to be adding some content down below the picture of the cows. Let's tab back over to Connect. Again, we're on the website button. Now we're going to click on Pages. And we're going to edit our pastures page. So this is to create a blank page, but we're editing this page, so we're going to click on the Edit button. And we're going to scroll down to the editing box down here. This is our featured image, and then right there, that's our featured image. This is the editing box. We already have some content in here. We have the 2 cows. We have Welcome to our pasture scenes. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the bottom below the cow picture, put our cursor right there, and then this is the 2 column, this is the 3 column. And the reason you want to use these is when you're doing mobile, the columns are going to fall one below the other. And it's really good. It just adds depth, adds character to your website to have the 2 and 3 columns. If you're, if you have items that you want to list, this works great for that. Image left and image right is almost the same. We'll do a different tutorial on that. So let's go ahead and start with the 2 column. We're going to click on 2 column right here. And you'll notice that when we click on it, it has these dashes above and below. And that's because the formatting between the dashes is different than the original formatting. So you want to pay attention to that. And you don't want to get caught up inside this formatting. So we're going to show you how to back that out in just one second. Let's go ahead and click on this image right here. And we're going to add an image. So you click on this image, you click on the Insert Edit Image icon right here, and then you click the up arrow. And we could upload an image. We already have them loaded under My Images. We'll go to My Images. The 2 images that we're going to start with are these 2 cow images right here. We'll start with this one. Use. And then just click OK there. And there it is. So you have these filler words right here. So we're going to back these out. Just going to hit delete and type in some other word. Here's looking at you. And then let's go ahead and do one more image right here. Click on the image, click on the Insert Image icon, click on the up arrow. We're going to go back to My Images. And here's the other image we want to use. Click OK. And then again, back out the filler words. And just hit backspace or delete. And then here's my better side. Okay. So we have the 2 column template in place right now. Now we need to get rid of the dashes. So I just hit backspace. I like to bring my cursor over to the left side right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just hit delete one time. It moves it up right there. That looks pretty good. I think the formatting is still the same. I moved my cursor over here. Formatting is going to be the same as it is above. And then down here, we're going to get rid of this dash right here. Again, bring the cursor over to the left. Backspace. Backspace. I went too far right there, so I'm going to hit the undo button right here. If you see your cursor go over here, you've gone too far. So I'm going to undo, try it again. I'm going to go backspace just one time. Now I'm going to hit the 3 column template. So let's go ahead and put in the 3 column template. And again, you have the dash above and below, and we're going to pay attention to the formatting. Quickly, let's add 3 more images. So we're going to click on the Insert Image icon. And I'm going to go through this pretty quickly at this point. So we're just going to do this one first. And then let's do the next image. And My Images, we'll do this one second. And again, you just click on the insert on the image, you click on the Insert Image Edit Image icon, you click on the up arrow, You choose your image right here, and we're going to go with this one here. Click Use, click OK. So we have the 3 images here, and we're not going to put any extra words in, but we're going to get rid of these filler words. Make sure you get rid of the filler words because it looks pretty awkward when you don't. Okay, so now we just want to make sure we keep the formatting right. So we're going to look at the dash. We're going to bring that over to the left. We're going to get rid of that. I'm going to hit Delete, Backspace, and that brings it up. So it's as close as it's going to get right there. And then down here, again, bring this over to the left. Just hit Backspace once, twice, and let's just check it real quick. So I'm just going to put in some letters, and you'll notice the formatting is stuck in the middle right there. So let's bring this back, and what we need to do is we need to hit the back arrow right here, and then this time we're going to go backspace one time, and let's once more. Nope, went too far again. Hit the back arrow, and we're going to leave it right there. So right here, you'll see the formatting is back to normal. So you want to make sure you have normal formatting when you go back in if you want to add some more to this page. And then the other thing I want to show you is on this, I want to show you the preview. There's a preview button right here. And this is the mobile view right here. You'll notice on the mobile view, the images drop one right below the other. And so that's the reason you want to use the 2 or 3 column templates, because when you're doing columns, it's going to show up much better on the mobile view as opposed to using a table. So make sure you're using the columns, and then we're going to go ahead and update this. And let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're on the home page here. Let's go to the pastors page here. Let's refresh the screen. And there it is. There's the 2 cows side by side, and then there's the 3 more images down below, and then we still have the formatting the same down here if we want to add more stuff. So let's go back to Connect. And one other thing, there's the help button right here. If you are looking for other tutorials, go to the featured tutorial videos. Now you can also go to tutorial videos and do a search here, but check out the featured tutorial videos. This first video, this first tutorial, how to start building your website, 4th edition, is a really good one to watch. How to add a page or a post is another great one. So there's several tutorial videos that you might want to check out. Let's go back to the dashboard. And that's it. That's how to use the 2 and 3 column templates with Dataczar Connect.